This is incredible. I don't know if you can see, but this is an electric tram that's made especially to clean the rails. And I don't know if you can see, but there's about a dozen people, guys. You can see them, they're standing down over there. And they are manually clearing the ice out of the track. This storm in Ukraine, in Kyiv, is one of the largest in history. There's a couple of feet of snow. It's been blizzard conditions for the last 2 days. And these electric trams have railway-like wheels on them, but they are not as, the edges are not as deep as a train. So I imagine that ice getting stuck in the grooves could derail this train. These trams. I keep wanting to call them trolleys, but there is a lot of this track, and tomorrow will be Monday, and there's about 5 million people in this city that are going to need to get to work. So this is the response to deal with that situation. The traffic will be backed up. I imagine predicting the snow should have stopped. They wouldn't be doing this. Cars run right over this, and they can't. I've said in previous videos that they don't have street cleaning equipment, but that's not true. I saw some graders come along and some regular plows, and they do have equipment, and some stuff I saw earlier is really kind of antiquated, but the equipment, they cannot lower the blades to the ground like we do because of these rails and these chunks of reinforced concrete that hold the rails in place, and the general condition of the roads make it impossible for them to scrape all the way down like they need to do. So they have to set the blades quite high to make sure they don't catch anything, and then the cars come along and pack the rest into the grooves.